Hi friends, today I will teach you how to boost Facebook page free of cost in 2021. So I have boosted this post about 2 weeks ago, and check the response and the reactions from my audience. 111k shared, 5k comments, 15k likes. So these all are done with free of cost. I have not paid into anyone. So I will teach you the tricks and tips today in this video. So keep watching this video till end. So this is my page, mathematics and abstractions. You can also check this post in on my page. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down to check my post about this one is also 3k shared, and this post is about 2 weeks ago. On 14 February I have uploaded this post, and today is 27th of February. So means 13 days ago I have uploaded this post. So please guys, check within 13 days I got such a huge reaction from my audience. So this is all organic reach. Check here, I have not paid to for this post. Paid impressions 0, and check the organic impressions is this, and total impressions is this. Organic impressions and total impressions is same. So this means this is totally free of cost. So guys, keep watching this video. If you like this video, then please must subscribe our YouTube channel, mathematics and abstractions. So go to creator studio. uh, this is my where I have come. So yes, uh, to post you have to uh, go to creator studio, click here. So whenever you have to post, then you should post from here. So check here, I am not posting regularly, that's why check my impressions are going down, so 41%, and no problem, but it will be resolved within with after this post on my page. So scroll up. Yeah, check here, this is my page, mathematics and abstractions. We have a page on YouTube, and page on Facebook, and also have a YouTube channel. So uh, post create post from here, click here, and if you want to test you then you can do here, and also add story, upload videos, multiple videos. Either you can go through live. So must do this with your PC or laptop. I think this option will not be available in Android mobile phone. That I have no idea about Android mobile phone, but you should use laptop or your PC. So post anything from here. So mathematics, why mathematics, why mathematics. So this for example, I am posting this one. So you will show this all in this creator studio. If you post from here, then you will not get these all. You can check here, check these advertise your business. This option will not be available here. And I think the unpaid tax promotion must do these all things which is possible according to your post, with respect to your post. And people are asking how you got such impressions and huge shares. So I suggest them uh, post totally your content based, means I means your post should be as same as your content. So if you have an education, your content is education, then uh, post educational materials on your page. I have a mathematics content page, that's why I have posted 5,000 mathematics formulas. So that's I got a very huge amount of uh, yeah, reactions from my audience. So uh, where I got this why mathematics. So choose check in options, must do this, and feeling must do this. For example, I am reading mathematics, 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 for example mathematics. And also uh, tag a sponsor tag. If you tag sponsor, then the tag unpaid promotion will not be available. Or if you do tag unpaid promotion, then tag sponsors will not be available. So you have to choose one of these options. So if for example I have choose this option, then allow business partner to boost this post. Yes, yes. So I have to choose here my another page, mathematics and word. This is also my page, so I am allowing my page to boost here. So this post fall under restricted, no, the only do these options. So and another, advertise your business. If I want to advertise, no, no, I should not go for this. This is paid advertisement. So I have not I should not go for that option. And just do share. So this post is not a good, so that's why I'm not sharing this post. But you guys should follow these instructions, and must and must remember about the content based post. This is a formula to boost your Facebook post on your page free of cost. It means that you will get a huge impressions if you post your content based. Then you will get a huge impressions as like on my page. So another tips I am sharing in the end of my this video. So go to the post and do these options. This will also get a huge share, post sharing. So pinned to top of the page, do this, then your post will goes to the top of the page, where I will refresh this. So this, yes, on it comes on the top of the post and pinned here. So guys, please, I am a student of mathematics, and my English is not good, but English speakers are here with me. My followers are maximum followers are English speakers. That's why I am making English videos. So please don't mind if there is any mistake in my speaking English. So if you like this video, then must do subscribe, and please give your feedback on comment section. Thank you so